Take a ride in the 2019 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, alloy wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, ambient lighting, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CarFax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CarFax Buyback Guarantee.